Sri Komarai Garu, MLC Telangana Teachers Conferency, the other guests from Tamil Nadu and Delhi, and our Krupakar Nandananji and the staff of Sri Komarai's school here who are in the sports activity, and the participants from various southern states, the judges of the event, the organizers and other friends, and media. Let me first congratulate the participant in the yoga, this competition here. They have performed wonderfully here. Some of the events they have given demonstration here. And yoga has been mixed with rhythm, the fusion yoga. So it's not only yoga can be practiced simply, but also it can be practiced along with music and dances and other things. So it's a very good visualization of the sports, because now yoga has been recognized as sports by Sri Narendra Modi's government. And yoga is such an art or science or an exercise, whatever you may call it, that it will keep everyone's health in fit order, and everyone knows that a healthy body will have a healthy mind. And today, being the Swami Vivekananda's 164th birth anniversary, on this occasion also, I wish all of you a very youthful life, because yoga will make you youth. Yoga infuses vigor in us, and yoga will definitely will be an exercise which will keep us long life, which will give us long life also, and a healthy life also. Today, in the entire world, yoga is practiced. I have been to many countries where I have seen yoga being practiced by foreigners, especially in Europe and the US and Australia, and it is being respected. After Narendra Modi came, Narendra Modi's government came, 21st June has been declared as International Yoga Day. An entire world, recognizes yoga, and they celebrate this day as Yoga Day. I'm happy that the Southern Zonal competition is being held in Hyderabad, that too in my friend's school, which has got all the facility here. And I once again wish you all the best for your competitions, and I also wish you all and welcome you all to a great city, a city of pearls, city of biryani, and a very modern and progressive city in the country, that is city of Hyderabad. I thank the organizers for having invited me here on this day and on this occasion, because today being the Vivekananda Jayanti, I request you all to read his life history and try to emulate him. And like him, he also said, he gave importance to sports. He said that give me people play football, and then your mind will be healthy. Play football, your body will be healthy. So therefore, that is how Swami Vivekananda gave importance to sports also and games also. So today I'm happy that a lot of youngsters who performed here in an excellent manner, I wish them also all the best in their future life. Thank you for giving me this opportunity.